channel. We will go to Doha Port. Today is our rest day, so join with us. So this is the old Doha Port. Today is Monday night, our scheduled rest day. So lumabas ang mga Inday para magdiop-diop ba. This is one of the major attraction here in Doha, this place. And I heard this old Doha Port is the next to be developed. As you see guys, there's a lot of container van. It's a drive-through, one-stop shop for food. No need to go out to your own car, so you just have to park and get your food and then go. So that is their strategy of this place.
Yeah.
Boat riding.
Boat ride, and what's the scenery here? Yeah, no, here in Doha. This one.
Should give you Kabayan
Okay.
Captain.
Can you?
Box Park, Old Doha Port. Old Doha Port. Our company is All Marine.
Oh,
All
okay.
Marine.
Okay.
I placed the song.
Thank you.
Yeah, please. Did you catch the
Yeah.
from your phone? You can raise the volume.
Absolutely.
It's low.
Better if we have red wine here, huh?
You want?
Red wine. Only red wine.
That's soft music.
Yeah, because of the music.
It's better not now. Like in November. No.
Too much humidity.
So this one, it's good maybe in the morning. So this place is good and better in the morning because you can see clearly the surroundings. Ano, sige.
Stop ka naman.
Ayan na, pwede mag-picture o ganun. Hindi mo ako pinicturean kanina.
If you want, no.
Yung cellphone mo, boy, baka malaglag.
You do like this.
Back yung cellphone mo.
Do like this sometimes.
O, tingin ka sa akin. Tika muna. Picturean kita. 1, 2, ready. Take care na, yung cellphone.
So nice.
Uy, ako din. Diyan din ako. XP ko habang ganito. Habang
Here,
nagbibideo.
I want here. Then,
Picture mo lang ako dito.
Okay. It's good, yeah.
I'm not trying. You're driving. I'm not testing you. It's me, no. I say nothing.
Hindi ako kita. Hindi ako kita.
Uy, boy! Bag! Bag! Tingin ka muna. Tingin ka, safe. Oh my God, it's too fast, brother! I'm afraid!
Cellphone.
I'm afraid!
Where's my cellphone?
It's safe, it's safe, it's safe!
I want to
No, no! Too much! Too much! Nice XP.
Ganda kaya, oh.
Nice XP! Uy, cellphone mo. Safe.
We are in the yan. Wow, so nice. Oh my God. That's a museum.
Oh my God, oh my God. Maalo na boy, maalo na boy. Maalo na boy, maalo na. Maalo na boy. Maalo na. Maalo na boy. Oh my God. Oh my God. Stop mo na ako ng video. Grabe, sobrang maalon na. My God, my God. My God, ang alon na.
Layo.
So, ayun guys, natapos na ang aming Doha Port vlog, ang aming XP dito sa Doha Port. So, ayun po, sobrang pinagpawisan ako at sobrang kinabahan ako yung bibig ko kanya dahil sobrang lakas ng alam sa gitna ng dagat. So, ayun po, hanggang dito na lang po and see you next time. And thank you so much.